Matt Goodwin, elitefts.com, equipment sales. Welcome to River Valley High School. Guys, this room came out pretty awesome. So we have 14 collegiate racks, all connected in the front and the back by bridge connectors. Those allow more stability on the racks, keep everything from shifting on you. We got collegiate 0 to 90 benches with custom logos on the head sleeves. And down on the gussets, we have double layer laser logos on the nameplates, on the K-braces. So everything is branded really nice for these guys. We got the sandwich style J cups. We decided to go with the adjustable safety spotter straps on these. It's just a little bit easier for high school kids. Everything stays on the rack. You don't have crap falling all over the place. We got the landmine attachments on here. So basically everything you need is right here in one station. On the plates, we did competition style bumpers, all branded with the school logos. These are all custom built, custom made. We can do any of these designs for you guys. Pro Lock collars, again, high school weight room. Let's keep the collars on the rack so we're not kicking stuff all over the place. So this stuff came out really good. Again, everything kind of customizable. We got 14 racks, so 7 on each side. Came out really nice. Everything fit really well. We also got the iron cowboy bars from elitefts.com. Each rack has got one of those. We also have the female training bar on here as well from Troy Barbell. A little bit easier for some of the younger kids, a little less weight on the bar, allows them to still do the full movements. So these came out really good. As we move down this way, we have 3 of our selectorized forced lat pull down low row combos. These are gonna be really nice for the kids, kind of get that upper body, the upper back, that kind of stuff. So little, little extra movement down here. We got the foot cables down here at the bottom, so you can do both high and low pulls. So these will be really nice for them. Keep moving down this way. We got the posterior chain developers. These are all custom branded again with the River Valley Viking logos on there. The easy adjustment on the back with the foot pedal makes it very easy for kids to adjust these. So instead of adjusting the pad back and forth, we're just moving the foot plate back and forth. Again, on here, you can do your glute hams, you can do your reverse hypers, you can do abs, you can do back raises. It's a really multifaceted unit. Highly recommend them for all schools. So these came out really nice. Again, as we walk this way, we got some more storage units. These are our Recta storage units. Again, come with the logo branding on the panels. We're still missing a few med balls. Those will be coming in soon, but we got some kettlebells in here again for the kids as well. So we have one of these on each side of the room, so everything is kind of mirrored. So again, we wanted to leave space open down the middle, so we can get plenty of room if they're going to pull, if they're going to do cleans, anything like that down the middle of the room. There's plenty of room down here. And again, we're in Ohio. Also want to make sure we have plenty of room for indoor, stretches, functional stuff. Keep the room open as much as possible. As we move over, we also did a run of customized turf. So we glued all this down, got everything logoed. We got agility ladders in here. We got the Viking head. So this was 15 feet wide by 63 feet long. So it came out really nice. Custom logo dumbbells. These all came up. We got multiple sets from 5 up to 100. Again, really clean look, nice knurled thick handles on these. Really good quality dumbbell. Really like these a lot. So these are all available through elitefts.com. You can always contact me directly at mgoodwin@elitefts.net. As we keep moving down, again, foam rollers, it's a must, right by your back. On the back of this side, each rack is equipped with trap bar, as well as the iron cowboy bar. Again, for high school kids, trap bar is a very easy way to teach the pulling. Any kind of deadlift, farmer carries, anything like that, they're really good. Even loaded jumps, really useful tool. So the trap bars are always kind of a good idea for high school kids. And then as moving down, we've got the stackable plyo boxes. Great tool, safer, easier. You can do all your plyometrics on here. On the turf, you got a little bit of more cushioning, so when you're doing that landing, you're not compressing on the spine. So when you have the soft plyo boxes on the turf, have a step down, so you're not killing yourselves. But we laid all the floor from Ecor flooring. This was all the rolled rubber flooring. Everything is glued down. Everything's seamless. So this weight room came out really nice. This was a unity project throughout the community. This was a big part of the athletic boosters on this. The community all back behind this whole project, so it's really cool. This is not taxpayer dollars. This is all privately funded, so really cool that a small community like this came together and built this for these kids. This is a very small school in Ohio. We have Division I is the biggest, all the way down to D6. This is almost down like 5 or 6, and this is a smaller end of the schools in Ohio. So even with that being said, you can still build this stuff. When you dream it, you get a plan, you put it all together, come out with something nice, beautiful like this. So again, guys, thanks for watching. You can reach me at mgoodwin@elitefts.net. You can reach me on social media through Instagram, Facebook, anything like that. Just reach out. The phone number at Elite FTS is 888-854-8806. See you next time.